Welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia. Be answering you the question how you can extend your Cambodian visa. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Musto Invest in Cambodia, hit the notification button, and yes, contact us if you have any questions about Cambodia, if you need company registration, visa extension, working permit, or any legal service in Cambodia, including if you are searching for real estate here in Cambodia, either a condominium or land or even a villa. Just contact us on our two official websites in the description below if you have any questions about Cambodia or any inquiries. And let's get started. So yes, if you want to get an extension for a Cambodian visa, first you have to understand that there are basically two visas that you can get prior your entry to Cambodia. The first is the tourist visa. The tourist visa requires you to get a return ticket, while then the other visa, which is harder to get, is the business ordinary e-visa. This visa is actually easy to get for people from the European Union, the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and some countries. It's pretty easy, but for some other nationalities like the Indian subcontinent or the African subcontinent, it is more difficult to get a business ordinary visa, and in most cases you are required to show an invitation letter to get such visa. And talking about visa extensions, the visa extension that you can actually get if you're 55 years old or older is the retirement extension, and it's very easy. You don't have to show any proof, you just have to show on your passport that you're 55 years old or older, and you can get a visa extension up to 12 months or 1 year. But as all visa extensions, either the retirement extension, the business visa extension, if you have a company or a business or organization supporting you here in Cambodia, or your own company, you still need to register yourself in the Foreign Presence in Cambodia app, FPCS, or Foreign Presence in Cambodia system, which is abbreviated to FPCS. This app requires you to register your accommodation in Cambodia together with your name, passport number. You can just scan it. This is essential if you want to extend your visa in Cambodia, because the immigration here in Cambodia, they need to know where you are located and also your information. You cannot get your visa extended if you don't have that registered. And it's free, it's very easy. You just have to spend a few minutes registering it with your local Cambodian number, and it's all set to go. What you can make is the K visa extension if you have Cambodian blood, you have a family book or a birth certificate that can show that you have Cambodian family members, but perhaps you were born in Australia, Canada, or the US. Then yes, you can actually get the K visa for free, extended up to 1 year, and this is for all people that were born in the US, Canada, Australia, or any other country, but have roots to Cambodia, Cambodian relatives, Cambodian parents. And all you have to do is just show either a family book or a birth certificate, and you can get this extended for up to 1 year, the K visa. Student, you want to come to Cambodia and study, yes, you can get a student extension if you have a letter from the school that you or university that you are studying here in Cambodia, and you have paid the school fees. Yes, then you can apply for a 6 to 12 months visa extension. The next is the business extension. The business extension has to be done with also a letter that states that you're working for this company or organization, and yes, it must be stamped by your company or organization. And one more thing which is very important, you have to show the patent tax. Even if you work or volunteer in an NGO, you are also required to show a patent tax. And yes, after that you can extend your visa for 6 months. If you want your visa to be extended for 12 months, you actually need a working permit. And how do you get a working permit? You can do it easily in a travel agency. If you don't have any documents that you're working for a company or you're doing any business here in Cambodia, you can just pay a bit extra and get a working permit as a self-employed. However, if you work for a company or organization, they can help you to make the working permit. And yes, just ask them, and definitely your company or your organization will help you to make the working permit, which in some cases will require you to do a physical test. You go to a doctor, they measure your height, your weight, they do some physical examination, and that's all. But if you don't have a company that supports, you can just pay a bit extra, get this working permit as a self-employed. And yes, you need some photos with a white background. With a working permit, you can also open a bank account, which is very important for you if you are here in Cambodia. Tourist visa can be extended for just another 30 days. So yes, it's not that good for you if you want to stay in Cambodia for a long time. And definitely if you want to stay in Cambodia for 12 months or at least 6 months, you should just get a working permit. And if you don't have any document supporting that you're working for a company here in Cambodia, an organization, an NGO, then yes, you can pay a bit extra and have your visa extended for 6 months. The 12-month extension can be done only if you have a working permit. And yes, it doesn't matter what you do in your country. If you have a company in your country, that doesn't matter at all. What matters is that you either work or do business with a company here in Cambodia to have your visa extended for 6 to 12 months. If you need the document and the tax patent of the company or organization that you're working for, then yes, it has to be from Cambodia. It cannot be from your own country or another country. And yes, feel free to contact us if you have any questions about visa extensions, working permit. Usually the process takes between 3 to 7 days, depends on how much you pay. But yes, it's something average of 7 days. Feel free to contact us if you have any other questions about Cambodia. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.